Hello, Lulu. This is your segment of Sunday morning. Jake, you already had your segment. Okay, we'll just put you guys together. We'll erase Jake's and put you guys together. So anyway, what do you guys do on Sunday morning? You already had your segment, Rocky. Thank you. I like you too. Okay. You can sniff the camera, that's cool. What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say? Would you like to repeat that? No? Okay. Lulu, do you have anything to say? Okay. Yes, we get it. You want this to be your segment? Okay. Lulu, go away. Okay. Well, this has been Jake. Lulu's. Lulu, you're really dirty. And wet. They were outside on Sunday morning.